What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to automatically insert serial numbers in Microsoft Excel, which is especially useful in dynamically updating lists such as inventories, email lists, or attendance sheets. First, let's prepare your Excel sheet. Assume you have a range of data that isn't yet formatted as a table. The first step is to convert this data range into a table for better management and functionality. To do this, select the entire data range, go to the Insert tab and click on Table, or press Ctrl and T. Make sure to check the box that says My Table as Headers if your data includes headers, and then click on OK. This will convert your range into a table, and you can change the table style from the Design tab to fit your preference. Now, let's add serial numbers that automatically adjust when you add or remove rows. Click on the first cell in column A where you want your serial number to start, typically A2 if you have headers. Here, you'll use the rows function to generate the serial numbers. Enter the formula equals rows, open bracket, $A, $2, semicolon, squared bracket at, square bracket, your header name, close brackets. This formula counts the number of rows from A2 to the current row, which effectively generates a serial number for each row. The $A, $2 in the formula is an absolute reference, which means it stays constant even if the formula is dragged down to fill more cells. To get the $A, $2 formula, press the F4 key where you type in A2 immediately after the opening bracket in your formula. The header name depends on the header name in your table. If it is serial number, then type serial number in the header name place. Drag this formula down through the column in your table. As Excel tables are dynamic, when you add a new entry to the table, the formula will automatically copy to the next row, updating the serial numbers accordingly. This ensures that each entry in your table will have a unique serial number, and the numbers will adjust automatically if a row is deleted, maintaining the sequence without any gaps. Remember, it's crucial not to delete the first cell where the formula is initially entered, A2 in this case, because this cell acts as the reference point for all other serial numbers in the column. If this cell is deleted, it will disrupt the sequence and the formula will need to be re-entered and corrected. And that's it. You now have a dynamic system for inserting serial numbers in Excel that will automatically adjust as you modify your table. This setup is ideal for maintaining orderly records in datasets that change frequently. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.